This is just a clip of outside because something I've been doing is I've been going outside. I'm not saying go to the mall and stuff. I'm saying just still be in nature, still get daylight, look out the window, because being in the house all the time can get really like boring. And if plants can benefit from sunlight, so can we. This is my little garden that I have. I've been gardening. My plants are so cute. God bless. But yeah, I also garden if you're like to garden or if you're into it. It's something that I think you guys should learn if you want to while you have all this time. These little blue things right here, I'm going to do a video with them and you guys will see what it is about. It's something part of my garden. Also, I love to read. You guys can read books. If you don't have physical copies of books, I'll put a link in the description where you guys can maybe get books, or you can also download free books from Google Play Books as well as Apple Books. And reading is fun for me, and I like to exercise my brain. So also DIY projects, or like this is a mood board. Like I really like nature, and I love Ariana Grande. She said that's how you say it. But anyways, just it doesn't even have to be a mood board. It can be anything. Any arts and crafts. And this is, once again, I just love the sun, and the clip looks really nice. I like the little light. Y'all see that? This is a work of art, and I really appreciate it. I think it's really dope. You guys, this represents to me like thinking of things that you appreciate in life. And this to me represents meditation and yoga and being calm and having serenity. You guys could meditate or just really, clear your mind and do it in a way that works for you. Like do whatever makes you happy to clear your mind. We're talking about yoga, baby. Go outside, get some sun. Like, get some sun. If the plants are thriving from it, so will you. It's good energy. That's why you feel good when you go out to the beach or to the pool, or when you're in Cali, when the sun's out, everyone's happier, because everyone's just uplifted by it. These are just some decorative flowers that I have. And also dancing. I love to dance, specifically belly dancing. So what that represents to me, I do it. It makes me happy, and it's just a skill that I love to practice and hone. Exercise is very important. I have weights and ankle weights and stuff like that. That's my yoga mat. You don't have to have even weights to start exercising. You could use the Workout Women's app. It's very highly effective, and I use it myself. These are just some hair clips because you could try out new hairstyles, get to explore your look, change it up. It's a transformative period for all of us, so I feel like we should explore ourselves and really get in tune with ourselves. This is representative of having a fashion show, trying on new clothes, maybe sorting out your closet, upgrading it. This is for makeup. If you guys want to get into makeup, do your makeup, like just have fun, explore yourself. I love Fenty. Those are my favorite shades. Those are my most worn shades right there. And yeah, Fenty is so good, man. It has such good coverage. I be breaking out. That's my go-to. Oh, these glass jars, I upcycled them. And comment if you want me to do a video on how I did that. This is representative of skincare. Take care of your skin, take care of your health. Your epidermis covers your whole body, not just your face. Heal from the inside out, eat healthy. This is like self-care and love. It's a bath bomb. So take a bath, relax. Lavender and honey is so good for your skin. And healthy food.